Okay, cuties, it's time to go camping. We're going on a couples trip on this really cute campground. Taking a little road trip to get there. I think it's gonna be about 6 hour drive. But I just watched this YouTube video and they were talking about like, oh my god, Google Maps be lying about the time it actually takes to get there. It'd be taking there longer sometimes, even without traffic. And I'm just saying that that was propaganda. I haven't gone on a couples trip in a while, and it's just like always cute to be like encapsulated in love and roughing it. I'm prescribed to roughing it. But I feel like it's gonna be fun because I'm really, really prepared. I've been watching a lot of camp videos and trying to figure out, okay, what do you need to bring? They said bring a pillow. We have a pillow. It's this bread pillow. Oh my god, I'm so obsessed with this. The only thing is, this is for my girlfriend. And I originally, because she likes bread, I got her this one. And then because she calls me a sea lion, or seal, whatever's on the screen, that's what it is. She calls me that, so I was gonna get that as a pillow, and it was really cute. But then when I got it, it was hand size. And I feel like I don't really want to order it again. I don't think it would get here in time because we leave tomorrow. Oh yeah, did I mention that we leave tomorrow? So I need a pack. This is the whole point. What is this? Let's pack for our camping trip. So I stayed up really late and made this belt, and I really want to wear it on the trip. So I want some outfits, if not all outfits, to be stylized around this. It's just like my little apron to keep all my stuff in. I don't want to wear a bag, but I know I'm going to want to carry a lot of things. Plus, I have this water bottle, and I would like to bring it to every trip. And I'm thinking I can loop it through. Okay, it's pretty sturdy, but at the same time, it's dragging down the belt itself a lot, and that's going to be more annoying than not having it. You know what I mean? I wish I had a carabiner right now. I have some stuff like it, but I would, because there's belt loops on here as well, so I could easily, but I don't know if it will also still weigh it down. This is the belt that I want to wear for sure with every single outfit, so I can have like my keys in one if we have a key for something, or wallet in another pocket, and I just really am happy with this. Also, it has like the jersey lining underneath. This is to protect me if I sweat on my legs if I'm wearing shorts or anything like that. It's not uncomfortable feeling like the back of a denim would be, especially with all these stitches. So I just need a little something to cover it. But I'm very happy with this. So this is not an outfit. Why am I so happy? Why am I so happy? And I haven't planned one outfit yet. Okay, so this is the first skirt that I wanted to wear. This is going to be one of my travel skirts. Not travel skirts, like I have multiple, but this is a skirt I want to travel in, and I think it will be decent with the belt. It's not the best, but also it's my travel outfit, so I don't necessarily need to have the belt. I think I'm actually gonna plan to not have it and maybe just have like a tote bag. So this is the vibes for travel outfit. I want to change my top though. So the question is, what top? And I feel like I don't even have to say everything's thrifted. You already knew that. Next question. If it's not, I'll let you know. I need a jacket, and I necessarily don't need one on the way up, but I need one for the trip itself. And I think that this, if I do get cold while we're driving and have AC blasting or something like that, this is a nice thing. Okay, this was my first option, but I'm not feeling it. This is the like a mesh-ish shirt. Yeah, this is like a mesh purple shirt. Very, very cute. I like to wear this a lot. It's a tank top. That's what I've realized just right now. I don't have a lot of tank tops and I need to get more, but in the meantime, in between time, we're gonna put a pin in more tank tops, and I'm gonna take this off. It's also very hot. A option that I am really happy with. I love this skirt. Also, it just fits so good. And I am obsessed with a thick waistband. I feel like that didn't pop off as much as I would have wanted it to with the girlies, but it definitely popped off with me. And it's like a long waistband makes me feel comfortable to show my belly, but also feel covered, and it stays in place more likely than any of those thinner waistbands. And it's just cute. 10 out of 10. But I have my eat cheese or die, which is funny because if I eat cheese, I won't die, but it will affect me. And I am going to be going to a cheese state, and I will be having a lot of cheese. So I just think this is funny on the way there. Also, me and Babe are both wearing like similar color palettes if I wear this outfit. First thought was this, because I'm obsessed with this bag and I'm always wearing it, and it has so many little pockets and I can put stuff in it. But, you know, then I tried my hand at this little cute DIY situation. I had this bag that said Chicago, and I was like, oh my god, like we're from Chicago. But I just didn't like it. It felt a little too crafty, you know what I'm saying? I landed on this one. I feel like this is deep enough, cute enough, and it'll work. I'm thinking for shoes, these Tevas. I want to wear my Tevas anyway because they're a good shoe to just slide on. Plus, wearing it with socks means I can take off my shoes when we get in the car. Because I don't know about you, but I hate wearing shoes. And as soon as I get into the car, we're on the expressway, I'm like, okay, shoes off. We're just driving. We're cruising. I would drive without shoes if I could, but don't worry, I do not. I don't plan on bringing any accessories on this trip because it just seems pointless. So I have these sunglasses here that I'm going to be bringing, though. I'm going to be wearing the hell out of these sunglasses. I'm also going to be wearing the heck out of hats and hat accessories. My next item on the style is one of those. But yeah, I think this is cute with the sunglasses. I just need sunglasses. Having no hair protection, no head protection, and no eye, you know what I'm saying? I need sunglasses. Okay, with planning my outfits, I'm trying to be realistic. The fact that I am going to be camping, and so I want to be comfortable and covered. I fucking hate mosquitoes and flies specifically. Those are my nemesis. I'm willing to burn the whole world down if a fly touches my face. Like, it's not what I want. When they run into you, they're literally running into you. They're punching you in the fucking face all the time. But this is going to be my outfit for that day. And it's going to be 60 degrees or so, pretty chilly. I'm thinking because we're in the forest, we're going to be covered a lot by shade. And so that makes it a little colder too. So with that in mind, I'm adding this, which is just a really cute rainy jacket kind of jacket. But I usually use it as a paint jacket, as you can tell. But I found it in one of my drawers and I was like, wait, this is perfect because it's nice coverage if there's wind or anything like that. But it also isn't super hot. I'm already warmer with it on, so perfect kind of warmth that I need. I'm thinking I like this a lot, but shoes are going to be my biggest issue when it comes to camping because I don't really necessarily have camping shoes. I have I have these diesel hiking shoes, which are really nice for hiking, like my feet are doing great things when it's hiking. But if I'm on like a concrete terrain or something like that, or even grass, is not as comfortable. It like needs to be on Roxy shoes. I'm really vibing with this outfit, and I feel like the shoes are a really great addition. But like I said about the whole terrain situation, so I can either wear the Tevas that I show you before. There's only going to wear 3 pairs of shoes. I also have these Skechers shoes, but because they also are pink, it clashes with everything kind of for me because I feel like these tones are working together. The pants and the little flower here are working together, but imagining this a part of it, it feels like it mutes it and feels very pedestrian. I feel cool in this combo. I think that the other shoes are the superior combo, but this is nice, and this is what I can wear when I'm walking around in the city, like. So I was changing my clothes and trying to think about the next outfit, and then I remember I didn't style the belt with the last outfit, but I'm thinking because the jacket has like 2 big pockets, I should be fine. And if not, I'll just put it with it. You know what I mean? Like it's no big deal. But for this one, I actually want to make sure I'm keeping it in mind. So I have the belt. Let me put it on. So I have this on, and then these pants already have 2 pockets. So I'm thinking put chapstick in this pocket, and then all the other things in these pockets. And it's just nice because I can also have that similar like hand and pocket effect. I love this, but I am concerned about this shirt being bad in the heat. Go back in our brains. Go back in our brains. We're gonna go to the vlog, the LA vlog, and imagine, was she comfortable? I think so. I'm gonna wear it, but I think I want to wear something on top of it just as a double layer. I really want layers. This is us getting ready for the fall. This camping trip is our last of in the summer, and I really want to ease my way into the fall vibes of layering. I have this jacket that I think would be nice for it, but I am concerned about it being too hot. And it's this denim, super cut up denim jacket that I got from Mallory, which is like I said in the last video, she has one of the best vintage collections. It just feels like a lot. It feels like a lot because I have the belt and I have this and this. I thought about this one, but also it's too long. I think the issue is that everything is too long and needs something shorter. How do we feel about this? I haven't looked at it yet. Let me know in the comments what you think. Okay, I like it. I knew I would. Huh? I'm gonna wear a bra because it's gonna keep my shirt down better. But also I will snap close, zip close. It's hit or miss. It's hit or miss. I think the hat I decided to wear is going to make it or break it. I'm messing with this really heavily. Like the hat with the pants, it ties in really nice. And I like this middle being like a breakage a little bit. And the socks, the belt, you see what I'm doing there? Not really. I only have so many long socks and I want to wear long socks every single day. Like I don't want one iota of skin on my bottom area to be out because I always get flipping mosquito bites in my ankles and my feet. Actually, to prevent that from happening this go around, I bought these, and these, what is it called? Cleganic. I know they're trying to say a play on organic, so I guess it's Cleganic. Mosquito repellent bracelets, and it comes in these colorful bracelets that you can put on, and it's supposed to be essential oils in them that repels the mosquitoes. And so I'm gonna put one on each wrist, and I think on some days if I have to have any skin out for the next couple outfits, I'm gonna put it on my ankles. I might end up doing it anyway just to prevent, but I'll see what happens with just the wrist the first day. I don't want to overdo these. I only have 10, and they said they only last like 2 days, as some of the reviews were saying. And we're gonna be there for 4 or 5 days. And so I want to be able to get my money's worth, you know what I'm saying? And also sharing these with my girlfriend. So and possibly if you have extra with the other couple. I'm going to be vlogging this camping trip, so it's going to come out a week after this. So definitely come back and watch the vlog. But it's going to be with me, Liam, and Lance. Wait, no, me, Liam, Lance, and Bubbles, which is my girlfriend. And it's going to be really cute, like a really gay camping trip. Now for shoes, I'm gonna be wearing these pink ones that I showed y'all. I think it goes with the look pretty decently and it's comfortable, you know? That's all I'm about. Because as much as we're gonna be camping, we are going to be more than anything walking a lot. And I just want to be in cozy, comfortable shoes. The outfit can be loud, it doesn't have to be traditional camping colors, but it does have to be comfortable. And so far I've gotten that. Is this three? Yeah, this is outfit three. Okay, cool, 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 cool. So we're there Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday we come back home. The thing is though, on Saturday we're going to be going to a ghost hunting tour. So okay, so I have Wednesday on the way there, and I have Thursday's outfit, and this could be Friday's outfit. Yeah, this is Friday's outfit. So no, I mean yes. Next is the ghost hunter's outfit, and let's figure out what I want to wear for that. Okay, now hear me out. This is what I was thinking about wearing. I was feeling a little trepidatious, use our vocab words about this because there's a lot and a lot of eyes going to be on us if we're in a small town just going to the ghost store. I just was feeling it and I wanted something more nicer. I know my girlfriend's outfit for the day is really cute and I kind of want to match her vibe. This is not her vibe at all. I have not matched your freak, but I did still want to look nice. I was feeling good about these choices here. It feels like a nice way. I wore this skirt for last year, 2023 fall photo shoot that I do. Izzy looks to a seasonal photo shoot every season. I wore this. I had other layers on top of it, but I already took them off. This is the 360. Ooh, running into the walls. Wee! I love. Ooh, 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 ooh. She did not spot. I'm scared I'm doing too much. I'm really scared that I'm doing too much, and I think that's why I'm still standing here. I was really confident of the outfits because they were casual, and the city we're going to is pretty casual. It's not really dressy up, but to me, this is also kind of casual, and I just don't want to be a little delusional. It's not as cute without the brown piece. It's not as cute as all. Maybe I could just muddle it down with a t-shirt. Just maybe I don't have it in me to not cause a scene, but I could go really simple and this matches like the skirt at the bottom and it would still feel cute. Wait, this is also a plain shirt, right? No pattern, but it has a cow neck, so it adds a little pizzazz to it. Maybe I should try this on with that. So I love this. I wore this like pastel pink shirt and I think it mutes it down a bit versus the very bright yellow lace long sleeve. This is the look that I am going for. Let me put some shoes on. Okay, so hear me out. I know I just said that was the outfit, but I just didn't feel good in it. I felt something was off. So, and I felt something was off on top of the fact that I didn't want to wear accessories, and I just didn't feel like a no accessory look. So now I switched it up a little bit, keeping the same skirt, and we went back to this little titty top. But then I also put a long sleeve over it because it's gonna be 64 degrees that day, low 45. But I am going to be walking around and we have access to a car and we just kind of are taking it easy that day. Other than the ghost tour, we are just like getting drunk on the ghost tour, eating some food, and going to our hotel. Keeping it simple, keep it cute, keep it cutesy. Pockets because the skirt doesn't have any pockets other than like the pockets the button ups come with. So, and they're not really accessible. So, this is a good thing to have. I just love that this has Velcro on it. I don't know why, but it just feels like extra layer protection that is needed for my personal items. I'm vibing with this too. It looks like I'm just wearing a over the shoulder bag now, even though it's like an apron. It's a vibe. It's a vibe. I need an outfit for a Sunday, kind of, but it's also another travel day, so I do want it to be as casual as possible. I'm going to just showcase a couple of pieces I'm going to throw in the bag as options and backup options I can wear throughout the weekend overall as well. If you saw my packing, what was the video? If you saw my outfits of the week video, then you definitely put a card up if you haven't seen it yet. But if you see my outfits of the week video, then you know about this two-piece set. But this is a pink two-piece set with a little collar. This one has pockets, and I'm thinking this would be a nice little sleeping option. And then another option are these leggings. They have a drawstring on them, which is just iconic. And I can't not talk about them every single time I showcase them on this channel. I must talk about the drawstring. It also has a little butt pocket. But yeah, these leggings I'm definitely going to be putting in the bag. I don't want to be bringing too many pants. So I make sure I bring some shirts too. This is just like a nice little sleep shirt. A lot of my t-shirts start as t-shirts and then end up sleep shirts. I'm not a t-shirt wearing girl. I know I picked up an outfit that has a t-shirt in it in this video, but I'm typically not a t-shirt wearing girl. It definitely is oversized and for comfortability purposes only. And so I'm going to toss this one in there too because this is one of my fixations right now. I also found a t-shirt in my drawers that I end up having it during a very eczema breakouty time. If you have eczema, you know. That shirt has been through it. Just out of my drawer and I'm like, wow, this is time to retire this. But for some reason it's giving blanky effect where you're like, I have to keep this. Keepsake, maybe. Don't want anybody ever to see it. But one of the few tank tops that I have, I'm going to toss this in there as well. It has a little stripes on the side. Super cute, casual, very casual. A gray is always like a good base piece for me. I love a gray, black, and blue. No, yeah, actually blue too, but I meant white. Then finally, I'm going to toss in these red pants. Very cutesy and casual. I love these, and I need to bring some pins because they're a little too big. I like to have these as a nice, comfy, cozy. And when I'm having too much of like a overstimulated, this is a really nice pants for that. It just like calms my skin down a lot, and I want to be a forest girly, but my body doesn't. I'm throwing these in there as my backup for like peace of mind. This and this right now, this combo is actually the best thing ever. This is my comfort blanket as an outfit. It's not lost on me that I didn't put a hat with this outfit originally, so I tossed this bad boy on to just finish out the plaid look. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so alternatively, I could wear this one. This is so cute. Like, I know I said I want people eyes on me, all eyes on me, but I don't know why, but that yellow shirt just feels different to be wearing here in Chicago versus on this trip. And I just think this hat is the more subtle version. Or maybe even this one. I actually prefer the orange one. The orange one is giving more. This one is. Let me know your preference, but this one is definitely mine. And this is one I'm gonna be bringing. I'm gonna bring this. I'm just gonna bring it. Maybe I won't wear it. Watch the vlog to see. Okay. On that note, thank you so much for joining me and picking out these outfits. It was a little chaotic at one point. I had to pause after outfit 3 for like 30 minutes and just like do nothing about the outfits because I was so confused about this look. But we figured it out. Let me know in the comments your favorite outfit and make sure you like and subscribe to my channel because you can become a cutie as soon as you subscribe right now. Right now. I know I'll see y'all every Wednesday and make sure you come back next Wednesday for the vlog. Yeah. And don't you ever forget, you can do anything. You're a cutie.